Hey, what's going on, guys? So I am back again with another video, this time on my Silverado um, fog light install. And I'm not gonna talk too much, honestly. I'm gonna just give you guys a rundown of what I'm doing and the process. So I ordered these fog lights off of eBay. They came with a wire harness. I just went to the Ace Hardware and bought this bolt washer, and that is the nut right there. What's it called? Let me see. I'm a little lost trying to find something. Oh wait, never mind. It's up there. I was looking for the nut, but I'll give you guys the information on why I have that there. So, off of eBay with the wire harness. For today on the video, I'm only gonna install these into the bumper, and going back again to the bolt. This is it's a 10mm bolt. If you're wanting to know that part on my bolts and shit like that. So and then I'm using this to hold the nut, and all I end up doing is sliding it up in there. As you could see, that square hole up there, and then the fog light hole is for the screws a little bit further down there. That helps me kind of just holding the nut, and I'm eventually gonna replace the bumper and the valence, but I don't know how long that'll take, so I just really want to get these on there and not, push it out and not getting them on. And I really wanted to see how the truck looks like. And so if you're like me, I would look up videos for the Silverado. Mine did not come with fog lights or the fog light valence with the holes. I cut that out. I just used my pocket knife, and took about 30 minutes to do both sides, so it's not that long, guys. And then I was looking at videos trying to figure out whether or not I needed the brackets and stuff like that. So figures that I don't need it. If you're looking to do this, you won't need the brackets. All you need to do is buy that hardware that I just showed you, and basically go about it like this. So that is that's the information on that, and let me just go ahead and show you guys. So if your Silverado bumper valence wasn't cut out or anything, you still have those holes up there, and that's where the bolts and the nut and everything will just slide in through. And just like the other side, I already have that mounted up there. It's sturdy. Next thing will be the wiring, like I've said. And so yeah, I was online just really trying to find whether or not I had the holes right there. I was thinking I was gonna have to like drill them, and turns out that I don't, so that is good. And I just really wanted to get this out there for anybody who's trying to put these fog lights on their Silverado. I mean, there's not much to it, guys. Hopefully this kind of answers your fog light install. I've seen a lot of them. Sorry, guys. I've seen a lot of guys just do fog light installs, but it's for the guys that already have them. This is more maybe for the guys that don't and want to go about installing them. And I'm gonna see how long they last. I might change, obviously, the light bulb that they came with. So keep you guys updated on that. So thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you have, thanks, and thanks for watching, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna probably work on getting a better camera and stuff like that. This is off my phone. So overall, thanks guys, and have a safe day.